Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials. Make sure the scooter firmware and app are up to date, because the BMS coordinates fast charging. Once done, set fast charge mode in the app if your OLA supports it, and confirm the battery is within the safe temperature window. Charging is slower when too cold or hot. Plug the OEM fast charger into a dedicated 1520A outlet. Do not use long extension cords, since voltage drop slows the process and can trip protections. You now connect the charger firmly to the scooter. Listen and look for the handshake LED or app confirmation. That verifies the BMS accepted fast charging. While charging, make sure the charger has 1020 cm clearance for cooling and is not inside a trunk or direct sun, because heat reduces charging power. Monitor the state of charge in the app. The current will taper as the pack approaches 80 to 90%, which is the BMS throttling, to protect battery health. You finish by stopping the charge when you reach the target SoC. Use the app or wait for the charger LED to indicate completion, then disconnect in the correct order. Charger from wall, then scooter, so there are no arcs. Coil and store the cable somewhere dry and shaded. Prolonged heat or moisture degrades connectors. If charging does not start or stops early, check error codes in the app, try a different outlet, power cycle the scooter to reset the BMS, and contact service if the fault persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.